Hi everyone, welcome to Chloe's Corner. We are going to make, what's that?
Rainbow oobleck.
Rainbow oobleck today. So first, we're going to add the cornstarch. And my brother Logan's here too. And try to get all of the cornstarch in. Now we're gonna put the food coloring into the water. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the yellow. Okay, ready? And
How many drops?
3. 1, 2, 3. You gotta lift it up quick. I did do it. As you see, it's making it a lot yellow because I added more. Okay, now it's time for us to mix it. And now pour the water into the cornstarch, okay? Now I think we're gonna do it again.
No, now you're gonna mix it.
Now we're gonna mix it. As you see, it's hard and it's liquid. Now you're gonna put your hands in and now we're gonna tell what it feels like. It's super gooey. Look at my hands. It's like they stick together. Repeat the steps and use a different color because you don't want the same color. But if you do, just do it again if you just want one color, if it's your favorite color. When you're mixing, ask your mom and dad because it's really hard. Gooey! Ugh, gooey. I never played with it, and it doesn't smell good because cornstarch doesn't really have a good, nice smell. But this is an idea that I had. Just don't put it close to your face. Just play with it. Don't forget to hit subscribe. And it's done. Bye. See you next time on Chloe's Corner. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.